Welcome to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into the BaBylissPRO FXONE Lo-PROFX prepack, a professional-grade grooming kit designed to cater to your hair cutting and trimming needs. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting into home grooming, this set promises to bring some high-end functionality to your routine. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's break down what you're getting with this kit. It includes a hair clipper, a trimmer, a charging base, and a boosted capacity battery. What makes this set unique is that it comes equipped with 6 premium clipper guards, which provide versatile length settings for different cuts. And it's all powered by a lithium-ion battery that promises impressive charge time and longevity. When it comes to usage, I found that the BaBylissPRO FXONE Lo-PROFX set is incredibly easy to incorporate into a grooming routine. The design is sleek, and the clipper and trimmer fit comfortably in your hands, making them easy to maneuver. The fact that the charging base uses a USB-C cable adds a modern touch, and it's super convenient if you're looking to charge it on the go. I put this kit to the test across a few different situations. The clippers handled a variety of hair textures effortlessly, cutting cleanly without pulling or causing irritation. The trimmer worked like a charm for detailing around the edges. One thing I noticed is that while both the clipper and trimmer are designed for precision, the clipper could have used a slightly quieter motor. It wasn't loud, but it did have a noticeable hum that you might not expect from such a premium product. Let's talk about the battery. The boosted capacity lithium-ion battery is a standout feature here. With just 1.5 hours of charging time, I was able to use it for multiple sessions without worrying about running out of power. The dual voltage charging base makes it a great option for international travel as well, which is something not every grooming kit offers. Now onto the pros and cons. Pros: the boosted battery is a game changer, offering extended use time after just a short charge. The 6 premium clipper guards allow for a lot of customization in your cuts, which is a huge bonus for anyone who likes a bit of flexibility. USB-C charging is definitely a plus in terms of convenience and future-proofing the device. Dual voltage makes it a good travel companion. Cons: the motor could be quieter, especially if you're someone who's sensitive to sound during your grooming routine. The premium price tag may not be justified for users looking for a more basic set, especially if you're just getting started with grooming at home. As for value for money, this set is definitely an investment. If you're a professional or someone who frequently uses clippers and trimmers, the long-lasting battery, solid build, and high performance make it worth considering. However, if you're just starting out or only plan to use it occasionally, it might be a little overkill for your needs. There are certainly cheaper options on the market, but they may not offer the same level of durability or performance. When comparing this kit to others in the market, the BaBylissPRO FXONE stands out in terms of the high-quality guards, long battery life, and overall performance. It's not the cheapest option, but it does offer premium features that justify the price, especially for those looking for something that's built to last. The build quality is solid. Both the clipper and trimmer feel sturdy, with a professional-grade design that's built to withstand frequent use. The boosted battery not only gives you a lot of usage time, but also ensures that the clipper runs at optimal performance throughout its life. In terms of customer support, I didn't need to reach out to BaBylissPRO for this review, but their reputation for customer service is strong. Many customers report that they respond quickly to issues, especially if there's a warranty-related concern. If you're looking for alternatives, there are more affordable grooming kits out there that may meet your needs if you're working with a tighter budget. However, the BaBylissPRO FXONE is tailored to those who need a professional-grade experience and are willing to invest a bit more for that precision and durability. So what's the final verdict? The BaBylissPRO FXONE Lo-PROFX prepack is an excellent choice for anyone who's serious about grooming. It's packed with features that make it worth the price for professionals and enthusiasts alike, especially if you're someone who cuts hair frequently or values quality tools. But if you're a casual user, there are definitely other options that offer good performance at a lower price. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you've used the BaBylissPRO FXONE Lo-PROFX or any other grooming kits, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.